Hi guys, so today you guys are gonna get a little bit of a 2-for-1. I'm going to show you how I take my boobs for this, for a casual look, just like a type of look with some jeans, a casual day out. And I'm gonna tell you about this really great tummy control shapewear that I have on, that I'm wearing in a size small, that snatches you up and contours your waist. So I have already started taping like I normally do. And yeah, so today I am using True Lift in chocolate. And just because when this shirt is a little bit see-through, but when I use chocolate, it pretty much looks just like my skin, so you can't even really tell I have it on. Can't tell I have it on at all, actually. So we're gonna do what we normally do when we start off by measuring. So we're gonna start at the bottom of our breast, and we're gonna measure to the top like we normally do, and we're gonna cut a little bit. So sometimes ladies like to wear like an open shirt look, or they like to wear their shirt like an open shirt look, or maybe like tied up a bit and just kind of leave the rest of it open. So this would be how you would tape your boobs for a look like this. So I'm gonna start off, I'm just gonna take my arm out of here to help me out here. And the major part about it is you gotta lift up on your boob in order for this to work. So in order to get that lift, so I'm gonna start here at the bottom of my boob. Uh-oh. Sorry guys. I'm gonna start here at the bottom of my boob, lift up on it, and come across my shoulder. Like that. And because I want like a cleavage type of look, I'm going to keep going over in this direction so that this area has no visible tape showing. Now this method, I like this method, it's very supportive. The only thing about it is that it uses a lot of tape. So yeah, so we're gonna go here, pull up on it, and go across as such. And you're just gonna keep continuing it. Like I said, this is probably the easiest method to tape your boobs, but it's also the most supportive method. So we're gonna go here, and we're gonna use one more strip of tape for this side. And you'll be able to, at this point, tell the difference between the two boobs. It's one thing to tape your boobs, but it's another thing to make sure you get the lift so that you can get the support that you need for the actual look you're going for. But you don't want to just have tape on them, you want to lift them up. So make sure you pull it at the bottom, start at the bottom, and go up and over as such. And voila. Also, I have on nipple covers too for my ladies that have sensitive boobs, and they are on the site as well. So now, as you can see, this boob is down and this boob is up. So you definitely want your boobs to match. So we're gonna go in on this side and do the same thing. Here. Uh-oh. And we are going to do the exact same thing. So this one has an obvious sag. You want to lift up. Mind you, people say that you can't do this with big boobs, but you totally can. I'm an H, so you can do it. So pull up on them like this, hold underneath, and tape. Just like that. Okay, and you can start, and you're gonna do the same thing all over again. Up and over as such. Okay? Make sure you continue this method the whole way up. Remember, if you want your cleavage to be in the middle, you don't want to come too close to this area. You want to kind of leave that. So we at the end of our row of tape. We're going to use our last roll of tape here. You're going to come over, lift up on your boob. Uh-oh, got a cocktail shape where we don't want to do that. Uh-oh. So if this happens and it bunches up, which this does happen sometimes, you can slowly pull it back apart like that, and you can still salvage this piece of tape. And this one just doing all the wrong things. Okay, so now I'm gonna hold up on it again. And come over it. Like that. And now, we got matching boobs. So now we have matching boobs. So at this point, I'm going to step back so you guys can see it a little bit more. So what I mean by open shirt look, so of course, like if you were just like wearing some high waist jeans and somebody want to like leave it open, you could use double-sided tape, or you could use our tape and make it double-sided. You could do that too. Or if you wanted to do like a tie-up look like I'm going to do today, you're just going to, since we have on our shapewear today, I will probably start about here and midways through the shirt. Actually, I'm gonna go a little lower. Probably go about right here. And we're gonna tie our shirt up and do a little bit of a tucking action here because we have on some shapewear. And I think it's gonna be cute. And it is. Okay, so now I'm gonna talk to you guys about the shapewear that I have on. As you can see, it is tight fitting. There are no gaps in between. It's tight and it definitely contours your waistband. These are our infamous tummy control panties. So they have a zipper, but they also have like hooks in between that you lash up to, and then you zip them up as well. So you got 2 times the hole in these bad boys, but they're actually pretty comfortable. So these are like our #1 selling shapewear is our tummy control panties, and I'm going to show you how they look in a tight pair of fitting jeans to complete this look. I'll get it. I love my tummy control panties because although they snatch me in and contour me, they don't have a panty line in the back, so they're seamless. In the back, as you can see, they lift your butt up, but they don't show your business. So y'all get some tummy control panties too. Check out the link above at shop.youlift.com and order your Boob Tape and shapewear today.